Welcome to AICare tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will look at how to add, edit, and delete a venue. In here, you should see the enterprise that you belong to. For example, I got USA Demo 1 as an enterprise. Click on here, and you'll see any venue currently already created under it. To add a venue, simply click the Add Venue button and fill in the information. Make sure it is enabled and then click Add. Now you have a brand new venue created under your enterprise. To edit a venue, select the venue first and then click Edit Venue. Here you can change the name, description, the street address, country, state, city, and you can even disable this venue. Click the Edit button to save the edits. And lastly, if you want to delete a venue, select the venue that you want to delete, and then click the Delete Venue button. A confirmation dialog will show up. If you click the Confirm Delete button, the venue will be removed from the system for you. This concludes the tutorial showing you how to add, edit, and delete venues. Thank you for watching.